Hey y'all, I just wrapped up the first day of school. I'm exhausted, but I'm so excited about this year. I have 16 kiddos. I originally had 18 on my roster, and then by Meet the Teacher, we had some that kind of unenrolled. I have 16 and I'm excited because last year I had 20. So I'm excited about that number. But what I want to do this afternoon before I head home is I'm going to set up our student display board in our classroom. I always get lots of questions about this, so I thought that in this video I would take you along with me and show you how I set it up. You are going to need a set of these file folders that have these built-in prongs. I will put the link of these that I got from Amazon. Because I bought my first set. This was before I went back, before I had my second daughter and I stayed home for several years, but this is probably my 4th year using my original set, because what I do is I just use a paper cutter and I cut them in half. So let me show you. This is the space that I am going to be using. So because I have 16 kids, I will probably do 2 rows of 8 and then leave a little bit of space on either side. That way, if I get a new kid throughout the year, I can easily add an extra one if needed. Okay, so I got them all up there. I have a love-hate relationship with this stapler. Half the time it works, half the time it doesn't. I have to reopen it and shut it to get it to work. It's dumb. But I got like half of them up there, and then you probably saw me take half of them down because I realized that I didn't leave enough space up here for their name tags. And it's still going to be cutting it pretty close with our letters. But that's okay. So now what you need is a special hole punch that punches 2 holes that matches these prongs. Again, I got this off of Amazon. It's been well worth it because I've used these every single year and we use this all the time. It's really easy, even like for kids to use. The reason why I'm doing this today, I wanted to have this done before Meet the Teacher. That didn't happen. So I'm doing it today because tomorrow we're doing our first directed drawing for back to school that I want to put up here. It's always one of the first things we put in our scrapbooks. But this is what I would normally put up here. I'm not even gonna put them up because they're just gonna get covered up tomorrow, but I will show you how it works with the hole punch. It's super simple. You just slide, obviously you slide the paper in. I don't even know if I can do this one-handed. And then, okay, that's not gonna work. Hang on, I'm gonna slide it in and mash it and see, it gave 2 hole punches. So then, if kids can reach, beginning of the year, some of my kids can reach the bottom, they can't really reach the top. By the end of the year, typically my top kids can reach them. But you just take the prongs and you pull them forward. And then you slide through the holes and bend them back. Throughout the year, whether we do directed drawings, writing, math crafts, any type of craft, anything that could be something memorable, we add it to, this is what I call our scrapbooks. And we just layer them on top of each other all throughout the year. And then at the end of the year, I make a cover with our class picture. I might put a photo of myself and that child. And then I write them a letter and I laminate them. And that is what the cover of their scrapbooks is. So this serves as a purpose to display their work all year long. And I absolutely love it. The parents always really like it at the end of the year. I'm gonna drop the links to everything here, the folders, the hole punch, all the things. I'm gonna drop them in the link of the description of this video. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one.